Welcome back everyone. In our previous video, we talked about Loshu grid and guided you step by step how to create your own Loshu grid. I hope you have created your own Loshu grid now. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about missing numbers and repeated numbers. By exploring what it means when there is a specific number is missing or a number is repeated, we will discuss the implications of these patterns and offer remedies accordingly so that you stay harmonized with your purpose of your life. Don't forget to incorporate numerology as a valuable tool for your own life and see the magic how it reveals and helps you throughout your life. Let's get started. Before you create your own Loshu grid, you write down your complete date of birth like DD, MM, YY, YY format. So first you take the day of birth and reduce down to a single digit number. In this case we get 5. This is your personality number and your thoughts comes from your personality number. This is also an important information. Make a note, please. Next, your month of birth. In this case, it's 4. Your blessings comes from your month of birth. This is also important for you to make a note. Your luck comes from last 2 digits of your year of birth, which we have discussed in our previous video, how to calculate your lucky number or Kwa number. And then addition of complete date of birth and reduce down to a single digit number will give your life path number. So 2 core numbers we have calculated. Please make a note. Personality number, that is add and reduce to single digit only from your day of birth or date of birth. In this case we have seen 23, which is 5. Life path or destiny number, add and reduce to single digit all of your digits from complete birth details. That is your life path number. Once you prepare all the information needed or all the numbers needed to create the Loshu grid, please do refer. This is the basic Loshu grid. So first column, as we have already discussed in previous video, is the thought plane. Next column is called as a will plane and the third column is called as a action plane. First row is mental plane, which is head. Second row is emotional plane, which represents the body. And the third row is your practical plane, which represents legs and feet. Direction of each number. Here you see 4 represents southeast, 3 represents east, 8 represents northeast, 1 on the north, 6 is northwest, 7 is west, 2 is southwest, 9 is on the south, and 5 is on the center. So this is important piece of information for you to know which number represents which direction. In this example, we have taken someone's date of birth, Alina Carter. DD is 23, MM 04, year of birth 1986. Take all the numbers from this complete birth details. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 8, 6. In addition to this, we have calculated your personality number, so we will take it. And then destiny number is 6. We have also considered the destiny number. Now, if you see, first we place the personality number D5. We also mark the destiny number D6. And then we filled up the rest of the numbers, right, from the complete birth details. So this is the Loshu grid, which is for Alina Carter. You are able to create your own Loshu grid now at this stage and you are ready to proceed further. First plane is complete, 492. Third plane, 438 is also complete. In the practical plane, we have to make a note she has repeated 6. So we need to provide some remedy for this repeated number. We will see it as we continue. On the emotional plane, we have seen missing 7, which also we need to balance, right, from this Loshu grid. And now you are able to understand completely how you create a Loshu grid and what you can represent from the entire Loshu grid. Next, will plane is also complete, 951, whereas in the action plane we see 7 is missing. So there is a deficiency in action, right? We need to balance that as well. She has a golden plane but with repeated 6. Her silver plane is complete. She has a detail arrow. In the peace arrow, we see again 7 is missing. She has to learn how to stay peaceful. In the science arrow, we see 7 is missing. So she has to balance that arrow as well. From the elements, what is missing? She has wood element, which is good, 3 and 4. Fire is present. Earth element, she has 2, 5, 8. Metal element is missing, 7. And she has water element. So this is the balance. This is what the information you gain for the elements through this Loshu grid. Next, what is her lucky number or Kua number? How do you calculate? As we discussed in our previous video, we add and reduce the last 2 digits here, in this case 14 and 5. We add 5 to the last 2 digits of the year of birth, reduce number 5 plus 5, 10 and reduce to 1. So her lucky number is 1. Now, what is the significance of missing number? Numerology reveals strengths and weaknesses in an individual's character or life's journey that we have seen. If someone is missing a number in their numerology chart, surrounding themselves with items of the corresponding color or element could remedify this issue. This approach is believed to treat or resolve the imbalance. Additionally, numerology also offers remedies based on the colors associated with planets and specific direction. So, missing 1, if someone's grid is missing the number 1, it signifies a void or imbalance in their life. So, how do you improvise missing number 1? So, we know lucky colors for number 1 is gold, flame, yellows, and bronze to golden brown. You can use those colors. Good deeds on Sunday strengthen your north direction. Missing 2 represents challenges in forming meaningful connections with others and achieving a sense of balance in one's life. Cream, white, garnet, fire, gold. Metal, silver, element, earth. Direction, which direction? Southwest, we have seen in the Loshu grid. 3 numbers, 8, 5 and 2 forms the silver arrow. Missing 3. Its absence suggests that the person may struggle with expressing themselves creatively or communicating effectively with others, right? So which are the lucky color? Rose, ruby, amber. Metal is tin or brass. Which day? Thursday. Element wood. Which direction? East. Represents health, overall health. Loshu grid is missing the number 4. It could indicate challenges related to stability and foundation, right? The number 4 is associated with the element of wood as well and symbolizes growth and stability. Colors brown, grey, blue, indigo, silver. If someone's grid is missing the number 5, it may indicate challenges related to personal balance, growth, creativity and communication. You surround yourself with things that are from the ground but are not metal to make up for the absence of number 5. If the number 6 is missing from someone's Loshu grid, it could indicate challenges related to relationships, family and balance. Even foreign travel. White, orange and pink. Metal, copper, represents helpful people. If someone's grid is missing the number 7, it may indicate challenges related to spirituality, intuition and personality, personal growth. Which colors? Purple, magenta, blue, indigo. Missing 8. If number 8 is missing, it may signal problems with prosperity, success and abundance. Blue, grey, black, ivory. represents knowledge. Wear a blue or black clothing on Saturdays. Keep crystals in the northeast and surround yourself with objects that come from the earth. The number 9 is considered a lucky number in Chinese culture, and its absence signifies the absence of luck or the need to work harder to achieve success. Lucky colors red, lavender, olive, direction south represents action. Wear red thread around your wrist and surround yourself with bright things, especially anything that emit light. In previous slides, we have seen the significance of missing numbers. Now, what happens when you have repeated numbers? So, repeated number in numerology are considered significant and can have both positive and negative implications depending on the specific number and its placement. So, repeated 1 signifies a time of transformation and change, as the number 1 is often associated with growth, progress and forward movement. Double 1 or repeated 1 is considered as good. Repeated 2 is not considered good. Repeated number 3 could mean a time of growth and expansion, as the number 3 is often associated with the concept of Trinity. Repeated number 4 signifies a time of hard work and dedication, as the number 4 is associated with discipline, focus and determination. Repeated number 5 means a time of transition and transformation, as the number 5 is often associated with growth, progress and evolution. Repeated number 6 amplifies its qualities and indicates a need for the individual to focus on creating a harmonious and loving environment in their personal and professional life. Repeated 7, multiple 7 could amplify 7's qualities and suggest a need for the individuals to focus on their spiritual and intellectual development. You will be focused on spirituality too much. Multiple 8 in numerology also signify a time of personal power and achievement, as the number 8 is often associated with material success, business acumen and leadership. Repeated 9, powerful and transformative, representing spirituality, humanitarianism and selfishness. When repeated in numerology greed, the number 9 amplify these qualities and suggest a need for the individual to focus on their spiritual and humanitarian pursuits. I hope it was valuable. You have learned how to create your own Loshu grid, and you can now decode and reveal many hidden truths about your own life and improvise your life for the bigger purpose in your life. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.